most of us be dry, warm, humid. In fact, temperatures are on the up and they still look set to exceed 30 degrees Celsius for most of next week in the south. I'll have more detail for you in about a quarter of an hour.
Screen or your screen? My screen.
Your screen, I think. Hi, Helen.
Morning to you both. Hello there. Good morning. So you've probably been hearing in the last day or two that the heat wave is returning, and although it won't be incredibly sunny for most of us today, it will be a warmer day compared with yesterday, but it was warm enough, wasn't it? We're talking about temperatures exceeding 30 degrees really here in the south as we go through next week, quite consistently as well. We did have a little bit of rain through Friday, of course, into the start of the weekend, but that's cleared out the way our weather front. It's left just a legacy of warm and very moist air that's coming off the Atlantic. So that's giving us the cloud. These weather fronts hanging around across the north as well have introduced that cloud and a little bit of patchy rain in the north and west. But this is how we start the day. Temperatures have only just in the last hour or so dipped below 20 degrees here in London itself. Many places starting the day at around 15 or 16 degrees, which is, well, it's not far. It's a few degrees short of what you'd expect at this time of year in the day, but it's very warm and the humidity is increasing today, so more humid air will make it feel warmer as well. So through the day, very little change. A bit of mist will clear this morning. There could be a very isolated shower, perhaps Kent, but temperatures will be higher by a degree or so compared with yesterday. Similarly, so across the eastern side of Northern Ireland, eastern Scotland. But again, for the north and west of Scotland in particular, there will be more cloud, and for Northern Ireland compared with yesterday. It's not going to give a great deal of rain, nuisance value more than anything, just spoiling the day a little. And that patchy rain continues on and off in the northwest overnight tonight. Again, very warm with quite a bit of coastal and hill fog in the north and west, and temperatures, if anything, probably a degree higher than we've seen through the night just gone. So as we move into Monday, we've got those weather fronts still with us in the north, not giving a great deal of rain, but just giving us quite a bit of cloud. But temperatures will still get into the low 20s here. Look at those temperatures and that heat building further south and east. It looks like another very warm, if not warmer day come tomorrow. And in fact, for much of next week, we keep the weather fronts towards the north, so always more cloud, not a great deal of rain, we don't think, perhaps until later in the week, and there could be some sparky showers, but the heat coming right the way up from Africa, across Iberia and building across southern and eastern areas in particular. 33 is the highest we've seen so far this year. That happened at the end of June, so we could be pushing towards that temperature through the week, perhaps a degree or so more, but it's going to be hot whichever way. The concern, obviously, lots of children now off school, some not breaking up until this week, I know, but still the potential, obviously, the strong sunshine and the heat exhaustion clearly are going to be a concern, because it's not just going to be hot by day, but it will be quite sultry by night as well. John and Tina.
Helen, thank you very much. I'm going to try not to be one of those people